All of us play several roles in our lives. We are mothers, daughters, spouses, parents, friends, employees, and we are constantly working hard at all of those roles. Today, I invite you to look at that one person who is behind all of those roles, and that one person, that is you. What is it that you are doing to nurture and take care of this most important person in your life, that is you? My name is Sneha Shah, and I'm a psychologist, and welcome back to Transforming Life series. I never really understood the concept of self-care. I played so many roles in my life and I played them well. And to a point where I felt drained, I felt tired, I felt exhausted. And there was a point where I was even resentful towards these people in my life for whom I was doing so much, and I felt I was not getting back enough. But the question is not what they gave back to me, but what I gave to myself. So today I want to ask you, what is it that you're willing to do in order to take care of yourself? And when you're ready, post your ideas in the comments below, because I'm sure that would be an inspiration for many other people who would be reading this.